Have you ever wondered if technology could be used to detect the paranormal? What if your electric car, like a Tesla, could pick up on subtle energy fluctuations that humans can't? Let's dive into the intriguing possibility of Tesla cars acting as ghost detectors. Tesla cars are known for their advanced technology, including sensors, cameras, and AI. These features are designed to help the car navigate the real world, but what if they could also tap into the unseen? There have been numerous reports of Tesla owners experiencing strange occurrences while driving, from unexplained noises to eerie apparitions. One of the most common claims is that Tesla cars can detect electromagnetic fields. Some believe that ghosts or other paranormal entities might emit these fields, which could be picked up by the car's sensors. Additionally, Tesla's autopilot system, which relies on cameras and sensors to navigate, could potentially capture unexpected visual phenomena. Let's examine some of the most notable Tesla ghost stories. There have been reports of Tesla owners seeing ghostly figures in their rearview mirrors or on the car's screens. Others have claimed to hear strange noises, like whispers or footsteps, coming from the car when it's parked. Some even believe that Tesla cars can sense the presence of negative energy, causing them to malfunction or behave erratically. While these stories are fascinating, it's important to approach them with a critical eye. Many of the reported incidents could be explained by natural phenomena, misinterpretations, or even hoaxes. However, there are few cases that are more difficult to dismiss. One such case involves a Tesla owner who claimed to have captured a ghostly figure on the car's camera while driving at night. The image, which was widely shared online, showed a humanoid shape standing near the road. While some dismissed it as a trick of the light or a reflection, others found it compelling evidence of paranormal activity. Now, let's explore the scientific perspective on Tesla cars and ghost detection. While there is no scientific consensus on the existence of ghosts, some experts have suggested that it's possible for advanced technology to detect anomalies that humans can't. For example, some believe that electromagnetic fields, which are often associated with paranormal activity, could be detected by sensitive sensors in Tesla cars. However, it's important to note that there is no concrete scientific evidence to support the claim that Tesla cars can detect ghosts. The reported incidents could be explained by a variety of factors, including human error, equipment malfunctions, or even psychological phenomena. Additionally, the scientific community remains skeptical about the existence of ghosts, and there is no definitive proof to support the idea. The debate over whether Tesla cars can detect ghosts is likely to continue for some time. While there is no definitive answer, the stories and anecdotal evidence suggest that there may be something more to this phenomenon than meets the eye. Perhaps advanced technology, like that found in Tesla cars, could one day help us unlock the mysteries of the paranormal. As we continue to explore the possibilities, it's important to approach this topic with an open mind, but also with a healthy dose of skepticism. Whether or not Tesla cars can truly detect ghosts, there's no doubt that they have captured the imagination of people around the world. So, can Tesla cars detect ghosts? The answer remains elusive. While there have been numerous reports and anecdotal evidence, there is no concrete scientific proof to support the claim. However, the intriguing possibility that technology could be used to explore the paranormal world is undeniable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.